Hello, this is my Anki repo. If you want to download my app, go to the Anki repo that I made. Go to this folder, download my Anki. Follow the description, the instructions over here, and just run these scripts in the right order, and you'll be set. So this is my app. Basically, the main features I added was first this thing called the NTR, which is the need to review score, which is a per concept score assigning how much you need to review a concept, which takes into account different cards as well as practice questions from tests. And also, we have the obviously the memory score, the likelihood to remember a certain card, and the projected MCAT score. And also, we can look at the phone and see this as well. You can go here. It's here as well. Okay. So this is some desktop only features that I implemented. The ingest practice test. Basically, a user can copy and paste a practice test into this thing. You can also just upload it from like for example, a practice. I think I can just copy paste the text into this from maybe UWorld or another assessment thing, and then they can save it. And based on that, it will adjust the score to see. Look, as you can see, there's a different score for this now. And we can also add flashcards. Let's go. Let's do this one. So they can add n amount of flashcards, and they'll also be annotated with their concepts as well. And it takes a little bit of time because it's a long textbook, but users can just copy paste one chapter, and it'll be in there. See, let's add these cards. As you can see, they updated here. If we want to see them on the phone, we can sync. Let's override this. And they're on here as well. Let's go into these questions and try them out. Since this is a textbook, it'll just highlight some of the topics because it's basically taking it from the beginning. But users can obviously select which chapters to make flashcards from. And let's go back to this and sync it again. I'll just prove that it works. Yeah. And that's the main concept. I just wanted a way for users to sort of have a way to combine all their different learning apps and use them to create compound insights. So in this case, they can create insights based on like, okay, I did bad at making sense of the environment on a practice test, so I'm gonna upload that test over here, and then based on that, I can also create flashcards for that practice test as well. Sort of like a middleman, a bridge between different apps, all integrated into one app, which is a better user experience and helps them compound and make their learning journey more efficient for the MCAT. And my main idea was what this came from my brain life, which is basically that I think that an MCAT test preparation app that is integrated on all fronts, review, learning, and application-based questions would be the best. But since I don't have obviously the resources to do this in 1 week, I just created a kernel for it to bridge all these different apps together. Because I think an integrated app would be great for the user because it can create insights based on all of them and then suggest what to do based on that. So yeah, that's what I implemented for this week. Thank you.